Welcome back. It's summertime, which means it's summer camp season for the kids, but also adults. And part of a summer camp that you can do is learning how to cook. And we're going to do that this morning. Katie Newell, Culinary Center of Kansas City. We're in Overland Park. There's a lot of stuff going on here right now. There's a knife, so I promise to be on my best behavior because we're also on live TV. Please don't hurt me.
Right? We've already talked about our issues. Whatever.
The duck song.
The duck song. We know how to waddle.
What are we cooking today? First off, we got the farmer's market opening today.
Yep.
This is all from the farmer's market. What are we making today? And talk to me about why this rainbow is amongst us right now.
I love it. So what we're going to do today is a farmer's market fried rice. We're going to make our own sauce, which you and I kind of talked about. One of the most stressful things is getting all the ingredients together. But once you have a plan, we're going to make it go quick. We also want to make sure we're getting as much of the rainbow as possible into everything that we make, just so we can get a different array of antioxidants and all that fun stuff. So today we're going with baby bok choy, which is basically a miniature cabbage meets kale. So super healthy, great for detoxifying, which we're all trying to do this time of year after a very, very long winter.
You got to get the summer bod ready, but also for some that feel cooking can be daunting, you kind of look at all, this is a lot, but really, it doesn't have to be as scary as it looks, right?
No, not at all. And that's why I think even having the conversation about getting the kids and the adults in the summer camps is so important, because once you get just a few recipes going, you're good to go. One of the things that I like to do is use local ingredients, but cook on a very global level. So taking all the different flavors is kind of interesting. If you look at any country, we pretty much all use the same 40 ingredients. Isn't that crazy?
I wouldn't.
But it's just the way they mix and match and all that fun stuff. So
let's get started with what we had planned today. So we got bell peppers, bok choy, spring onion,
green onions, scallions. You could do it.
So what's the kind of the process, step one?
So the thing that we're going to be doing during the next few minutes is we're going to be chopping up some ginger. We've got some garlic and then green onions. That's going to be our base. We're going to put them in our wok and get them nice and seared. Then we're just going to do a quick saute. Once you get this hot, a stir fry is one of the easiest things you can do, because you're literally throwing stuff in, cooking it for a minute, throw the next one in. As long as you make sure that you don't put too much in, you're good to go.
Okay.
So it's going to be fun and easy, and we're going to have fun.
We got a couple more hours to do it. In fact, in about half an hour, we will kind of get most of this ready to go, show you at home how you can kind of get that summer camp cooking, learning started. We're going to strap up. I got to look like Chef Boyardee for this next one. We'll see you in about half an hour, and we'll see what we concocted. Rob, Megan, we'll send it back to you at the desk.
All right, when we come back, in a few minutes, 12 minutes, by the way, past 6 o'clock, think about summertime for the next several days. That's what it's going to feel like outside as we get you through the holiday weekend. Just a couple of reminders coming up in a few minutes. Nicole.
Or Megan.
Or Megan. I'm
Me,
so sorry.
Megan.
Put anything in that prompter.
Yeah,
Thanks, Mike.
so much is true.
Well, a man is trying to get around an expensive piece of medical equipment. He's fighting with his insurance company, but the Fox 4 problem solvers on the case. We'll bring you that story next.